Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Word Search World, the place where learning English becomes a fun adventure. Every puzzle we solve helps us learn new words, improve our vocabulary, and train our minds to think and observe carefully. Today's word search will help us learn adjectives, words that describe people, places, objects, and situations around us. Adjectives are very important in English because they help us give more information. Instead of saying something simple like a car or a house, adjectives help us describe them better. For example, a big house, a fast car, or a clean room. So today, we're going to explore 10 useful describing words. As you watch the puzzle, try to find each one carefully. Remember, the words may appear horizontally, vertically, diagonally, or even backwards, so keep your eyes open. Let's take a closer look at the words you need to find in today's puzzle. Big, something that has a large size. For example, a big building or a big tree. Small, something little or tiny. A small insect or a small toy can fit easily in your hand. Fast, when something moves quickly. A fast runner or a fast car moves at high speed. Slow, the opposite of fast. A turtle is a good example of something that moves slowly. Cold, when the temperature is low. Snowy weather and ice are very cold. Easy, something simple that does not require much effort. A very simple question can be easy to answer. Hard, something difficult that needs more effort or thinking to complete. A difficult puzzle can be hard to solve. Clean, something that is neat, fresh, and not dirty. A clean room looks organized and pleasant. Hot, when the temperature is high. Fire, the sun, and hot soup are good examples. Dirty, the opposite of clean. Muddy shoes or a messy table can look dirty. These adjectives help us describe the world around us. They help us speak clearly, tell better stories, and understand each other better in English. Now it's time for the real challenge. Look carefully at the puzzle and try to find all 10 words hidden among the letters. Some may be easy to find, while others may be a little tricky. Take your time and enjoy the search. Word searches are a great way to train your brain, improve concentration, and learn new vocabulary while having fun. If you enjoy solving puzzles like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new word search challenge. We have many more exciting puzzles coming about animals, food, nature, technology, space, and many other fun topics. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep searching, and keep learning English every day. See you in the next word search world adventure.